Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking ackee and saltfish step by step. This was a video that was requested from me because I already did a video about ackee and saltfish, but this time I'll be preparing ackee and saltfish separately by itself. So come with me to the kitchen, guys. Good morning, guys. This is my second video on cooking ackee and saltfish, but this time I will be preparing ackee and saltfish separately. The other video I did was done where I incorporated other dishes with it, but I was asked to do a separate video on how to prepare ackee and saltfish from scratch, step by step. So guys, here are my ingredients for just preparing my ackee and saltfish. I have here some chopped up onions, some tomato over here, and I have some scallion, I have some bell pepper of different colors, and I have some garlic. And over here I have some pepper, black pepper, and my parsley flake that I love to use. You don't have to use it, that's optional for you. And the olive oil that I'm going to be using over here, extra light. And the ackee, I already went and cut the ackee. Take the ackee from the tin, and here is the ackee in the dish here, guys. Now what I have to do now is to get the saltfish ready. This is the saltfish, guys. It's called pollock fillet, but we call it saltfish in Jamaica. So this saltfish has excess salt. So what I'm going to do, I prepare this basin over here and I'm going to just put it in the basin here and wash that excess salt off it. So when you cook it, guys, it doesn't have that excess salt boiling on it. So I just wash the salt off it. Yes, guys. And then you go ahead. I have my pot ready, boiling water. So I'm going to put the saltfish in the water and boil the salt out of the saltfish. Because if you eat it like this, guys, it's going to be so salty and the dish is not going to be delicious. So you're going to be having too much salt. So here you go, guys. I put the saltfish in the pot. Okay. And I'm going to let the saltfish boil for at least 20 minutes. Yes, guys, this is what happens when you're boiling the saltfish. Sometimes you have it boiling over, and you see, guys, the saltfish is boiled and ready to be taken out. So right now it is 20 minutes, so I am going to take the saltfish out of the boiling water and pick the saltfish up, and I'll show you when I'm doing that, guys. So I'm going to drain the water off the saltfish now. Yes, guys, now the saltfish is already boiled, and I drained the water off. So now I'm going to pick it up. Make sure that I pick it up, and I'm going to be tasting it to make sure that it's not too salty. Just perfect, guys. It has salt in it, but the salt is enough to cover the flavor of everything that I will be putting in the pot, guys. So there you go, guys. I pick up the saltfish, make sure that it's like that. So guys, now I have the pot on the fire and the pot is already preheated. So I'm going to go ahead now and put my oil in. Yes guys. Then I'm going to put all my seasoning in. All the seasoning that I had prepared. Gonna make this cool. You can do it whatever you want, guys. You can put in everything now, or you can make your seasoning just saute for a little. I love to let my seasoning saute for a little because I am giving the kids to eat also, and when they see these things stand out in the food, they tend to pick it out. So if I let it saute a little, it blends into the food much better. Blends into the dish much better, guys. So now, what I'm going to do is to put in the codfish or the saltfish or bacalao. I'm going to add it to the seasoning. Now you start to smell that aroma coming out on you guys. Look at that, so delicious, beautiful. Then I'm going to go ahead now and put the ackee in. There you go, guys. This is how easy it is to cook ackee and saltfish in Jamaica. And ackee and saltfish is one of our, ackee and saltfish is our national dish in Jamaica. So this is one of the dishes that is on everybody's table in Jamaica. So if you're a tourist and you go to Jamaica, guys, this is the ackee and saltfish that you'll be getting. Now guys, I'm going to put the black pepper in. And this is a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm just going to put some parsley flakes in. This is my desire. You don't have to put parsley flakes if you don't want to. I just put it in because parsley flakes doesn't really give it any flavor. It just give it that color. So I'm gonna just let this cook down for another minute, and then everything is ready, guys. There you go. You can put a half teaspoon of black pepper if you want, but I put 1 teaspoon because I like black pepper. guys, there you go. There you go, guys. The ackee and saltfish is ready to be served. You can have any side dish that you want to use with this ackee and saltfish. So guys, if you like how I prepared my ackee and saltfish, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can be informed of more videos to come. Thank you, guys.